Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it is Thursday, June 4th. I want to look at Amberella, one of the few stocks that was actually up today on, generally speaking, though it wasn't quite as bad as it looked, kind of a bloodbath. Okay, so Amberella, they reported earnings the other day. Stock went up, kind of gapped up, and has stayed up. My sense was that you want to sell this thing into earnings, not because I think, I'm not the guy to call the top. I will never do that. You could just know that. You'll never hear me say, this is the top. Unless, of course, it's really, really obvious, at which time everybody would see the same thing. And that is something like a total vertical move on massive volume and then a pullback on the same day or even the next day to close, say, at a lower level. Stuff like that. Yeah, you'll hear me talk about a top then because it'll be obvious. Here, this is not obvious. The company had an upgrade yesterday. It was intraday, which of course then their clients got it earlier, which is the way Wall Street works. And who's trying to make prostitution illegal? Anyway, so this stock continues to trade higher. It's now pushed slightly through $100. Look at the weekly chart. It just continues to trickle higher. Frankly, I could say I was wrong. Well, the stock's proving me wrong to say, hey, sell into earnings when the stock gapped up. I could say I was wrong there, and I will. But here's what you want to do. Whenever you're trading any stock, why are you in? Why are you out? What is your time frame? What's your time frame? If you've got a long-term view of this company, and you should, hey, who doesn't want to have who doesn't want to have a drone in their backyard while they're wearing a helmet cam flying the drone? Okay, so this company is going to do really well. Hold this stock. Earnings and revenues are really strong. The stock has a PE of less than 40, so the stock is reasonably priced. If you're a trader, though, I'll say it again, you want to be looking to sell into these earnings. The stock's had a heck of a run. Another way to do it, though, is this. And if you're a member, Stock Market Mentor member, you've got to know what's coming. Wait for it. I don't even know what this looks like. Now I do. Slap an 8-day exponential moving average on a move like this, and you will get out fairly early. Won't catch the exact. Moving averages are by nature, by definition, lagging because they average prices that are already in existence. Find me a leading indicator and I'll pay you a lot of money for it. They're all lagging. So use this exponential moving average as a way to stay long the stock for longer periods of time. And what I should have done was, instead of just suggesting to members, you know what, this stock's had a heck of a run, it's got to be pulling back where you can reload, I should have said, you know what, keep a trailing stop, use the 8-period exponential moving average and stay long until the stock reverses. If I'd done that, people would be making more money. So I apologize for that. The upshot here is this. If you've got a longer time horizon than, say, between now and the 4th of July, you can be buying this stock and just hang on to it. It's not done going up. In the short term, I'd still be just leery about buying it here because I think at some point you'll be able to buy it back below 100. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. I sent out 2 videos today. One was an intraday member request video for stocks that you wanted me to cover, and then the last one is just the strategy session here in the email that you just got here. So check that out. And if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, if you haven't tried it out, the first month is on me, so give it a try. I'd appreciate it. I'll see you next time.